We are going to the elephant sanctuary. It's walk with the elephants, going to feed the elephants, I'm going to bathe with the elephants. All the lighting's terrible in here, but I'm going to get as much footage as possible, get some cool photos, and I am going to vlog the day, so. Mosquito repellent. Are there lots of mosquitoes around here?
It's not just mosquitoes, they're all insects.
This is why we've got this, the mosquito repellent. Do you need some?
No. Have you just, you've just sprayed it in my mouth, you idiot. You've got the line, you absolute moron.
What are you doing there?
I'm washing my melon.
We've got the melon, ready to wash it for the
Am I
elephant so it's
pressing
clean.
something?
Dunking it in the water. No soap necessary.
Yeah. It's okay, Brent. This is okay. Just eat.
Knife. Melon. One go. So this one's no good for the elephant because it's mushy. So we just chuck that away.
Oh, without looking, you just sprayed it.
That wasn't meant to happen. That was not intended. So now they're going to eat you instead of the melon. Did you blame the knife? Why are you blaming the knife?
The machete ones are actually
The machete? Is this one the machete? Is this the sharp one that you said works better?
Yes, but wash your fingers, Matthew.
No, I'm going to chop my finger.
Take your hand away first.
Look at that. That is how it's done. Done. And again. And again. And again. So we've just fed these guys, and this guy seems to be super hungry. He keeps harassing me for the bananas, which are in my bag, but he can clearly smell them. Can you smell the bananas? You can smell the bananas. You're just collecting them. You've got to eat them. Do you want a banana? Yes, she does. You want another banana? Oh, 2 bananas. Oh, you want 3 bananas? Oh, well, she just keeps wanting more bananas. Have you had enough? She's not had enough. You've got a great appetite. So do these girls have names? This is Mepwan. Oh, get out of the way when the elephant comes. So I've just realised from looking at the videos, this is a mosquito bite. Got one on my neck, one on my face, 50,000 on my leg. It's disgusting, yeah?
It looks friendly, whatever it is.
It looks absolutely friendly, doesn't it?
You are holding something in your hand.
No, see.
No.
Choose a hand.
I'm not.
No, it's just a rock.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a snail. You can take it this
No,
one.
just hold it. It's cute.
I don't
it's a
want
snail.
to hold it because
It's just a snail. It won't.
You're very quiet. You'll see the beautiful birds as well. You have to be very quiet.
Is that your way of just getting me to shut up? We have just finished having lunch, which was absolutely awesome. Thai food again, classic authentic stuff, pad Thai, loads and loads of vegetables and like soy sauce, all this like sweet sour stuff. It was amazing. And now we're gonna go swimming with the elephants, actually bathing with them in the water. So we're gonna have a bath with the elephants. Sliders were definitely not designed for walking up hills like this, because every single time I step forward they just slide off. Not ideal for walking in, just ideal for sliding in. apparently we are surrounded by avocado trees. You're gonna climb up and get it. It's gonna climb up and get a fresh avocado straight from the tree. Health and safety at its finest. Non-existent in Thailand. You got it. Yes. This is what a fresh avocado straight from the tree looks like. It's rock solid. You are not eating that. So this is absolutely amazing. This is like such a fun day. If you're gonna come to Thailand, you have to do elephant sanctuary. And make sure, if you're gonna do an elephant sanctuary, make sure it is a sanctuary or a retreat, because apparently some of them, where you can like actually sit on the back of the elephant, which is actually really bad for the elephants. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't ever sit on the back of an elephant. Oh! And apparently the only way you can actually sit on the back of an elephant is by actually using one of the hooks. And that's obviously cruel to the elephant. So don't go there, stick to the sanctuaries and the retreats like I'm doing today. But yeah, not even just for the elephants, like the views are absolutely incredible here. It's like something out of a, it's like, do you know those Windows wallpapers? It's not every day that you have an elephant following you. That was the highlight. Throwing water all over the elephants to cool it down. I got cooled down. Everyone was cooled down. It was so cool. Pardon all the puns. There's no puns in that actually. I'm just saying the word cool like multiple times. When do you ever get to swim with an elephant? You don't. So when you come to Thailand, you've got to do this. This is like the highlight of the entire trip. And now I'm just like in the little elephant sanctuary section. Everybody else is having showers. I'm just here talking to the camera. Look at the little baby one over there. Look at him over there. He's so cute. I keep saying he, but they're all girls. I don't know why I keep doing this. I think they keep the boys separate so they don't like continuously mate, because I think they said that they just keep on mating if you keep them all together. So I think they're trying to avoid that because you don't want too many elephants just all over the place, because then it will be an elephant party. Now I'm going to have a quick shower because I'm full of like elephant poo water. I stink of mosquito repellents and also elephant poo water, which is great. What more could you ask for?
Ready?
I got his tongue.
Was that good?
She's got beautiful eyes. Incredible eyes. You've got the most amazing eyes. Are you happy? Did you enjoy that? That is the face of a happy elephant. And that is what a mosquito feels like on your f***ing leg. It's like a roller coaster ride, isn't it? Back to base.